again. It's a rich thing.
Hello guys, today in this video, we are going to help you to find out the best mops for laminate floors in market. I made this list based on my personal opinion and I tried to list them based on their quality, durability, customer review and more. If you want to see their price and find out more information about them, you can check our links in the description below. Number 10. Swiffer Sweeper 2-in-1. The Swiffer Sweeper 2-in-1 is certainly one of the best mops for laminate floors if you're on a budget, as it covers all the important aspects of mopping while still offering unbeatable pricing. Here, homeowners will have themselves the versatile mop and sweeper, which can easily help you clean up your houses, both dry and wet styles. By featuring the dry and wet cloths in the sweeper starter kit pack, you can simply pick the right cloth for the job, attach it to the mop head and start cleaning the house. The dry pad is designed with microscopic microfibers that can easily grab and pick up tiny dust on the floors. And the wet pad comes with a powerful and friendly cleaning solution for your hardwoods, tiles, and laminate floors, so you won't have any troubles cleaning them. Number 9. Runner-up eCloth Deep Clean Mop. If you're looking for a simple and basic mop that can offer quick and easy house cleaning experiences, then the eCloth Deep Clean Mop is undoubtedly a great option. The microfiber floor mop comes with a basic and barebone design of a traditional floor mop, but is more refined and simplified, so you can enjoy it even more. With the high-quality microfiber pad, you can be absolutely confident when mopping floors, as it is able to pick up most of the dirt and bacteria from all contacted surfaces. Thanks to the precision-engineered microscopic fibers, you can absorb dirt with only water, thus making the unit eco-friendlier. The unit comes with a swivel mechanism, so you can easily twist and turn the head in corners. Number 8. Rubbermaid Reveal Spray Mop Kit. Messy households may need a tougher scrubbing mop. With a microfiber mop pad and a separate non-scratch scrubber, this spray mop from Rubbermaid can handle daily, light messes as well as stuck-on gunk. The mop head features a soft microfiber mop pad for tackling daily dirt and grime. On top of the mop head, a non-scratch scrubber is useful for cleaning tough messes on all types of flooring, including hardwood and laminate. The spraying solution is held in a 22-ounce refillable bottle, which can be filled with either water or a cleaning solution of your choice. The spray trigger offers on-demand spray to avoid oversaturating sensitive flooring. Number 7. O-Cedar Dual Action Microfiber Flip Mop. The O-Cedar Dual Action Flip Mop features a dual-sided design to gently dust and mop flooring. One side has a dusting pad with thick chenille strands to trap dust, hair, and fur. The other side has a microfiber mopping pad. The pad features gentle scrubbing strips to remove embedded dirt and grime from floors. The mop head is machine washable and is gentle enough to use on all hard floor types from hardwood to laminate. This simple and lightweight mop has a telescoping handle to adjust to different heights. The simple but functional design can help to dust and clean floors, walls, ceilings, and more for a full-on clean. Number 6. O-Cedar Easy Ring Microfiber Spin Mop. This spin mop set from O-Cedar includes a soft microfiber strip mop and a bucket with a spin ringing mechanism. The built-in ringer is controlled using a foot pedal for hands-free use. There's no need to bend or stoop to use or ring the mop. The extendable handle adjusts from 24 inches to 51 inches to suit all heights. The strip mop head features soft and fluffy strands of microfiber that trap dust and grime. The triangular head is on a swivel mount to allow the mop to reach into corners and under furniture. When the mop head is looking a little dingy, it can be thrown in the washing machine for a deep clean. Number 5. Cedar Pro Mist Max Microfiber Spray Mop. Spray mops eliminate the need for unwieldy mop buckets or spray bottles. The Cedar Pro Mist Max takes the convenience factor up a notch with its dual-sided mop head and refillable bottle for water or cleaning solution. The microfiber pad fits over the entire mop head, covering the top and bottom. When one side is dirty, the mop head can flip 180 degrees to use the other side of the pad. This design provides double the cleaning surface with no need to switch out the mop pad in between. The mop pad is machine washable and can be used dry or wet to grab dirt, hair, and dust. For wet mopping, use the handy spray feature. The comfortable handle includes a manual trigger to release the spray, so no costly batteries are necessary. Number 4. Ashang Flat Floor Mop and Bucket Set. Keeping the mop head clean while mopping prevents dirty water from being spread around the floor. This microfiber mop and bucket set features a mop cleaning mechanism and wringer. This handy design keeps the mop clean and relatively dry for mopping laminate floors. To wet the mop, one section of the bucket contains the water and a washing groove. When the mop is dirty, a few swipes on the washing groove can knock out dirt and dust. Then the separate drying mechanism can squeeze out excess water. A couple of passes should dry the mop enough to use on laminate flooring. This user-friendly design is completely hands-free. There's no need to fiddle with a dirty mop head or squeeze the pad manually. For deep cleaning, this mop set includes 2 machine-washable microfiber pads, one with ultrafine microfiber for light cleaning and dusting, the other with a microfiber and nylon bristle blend for scrubbing. Number 3. Nellie's Wow Mop. An electric mop takes the hard work out of mopping. The Nellie's Wow Mop is cordless and lightweight, bringing the benefits of an electric mop to an easy-to-use design. With the included charging cable, just plug the mop into a wall outlet for about 3 hours to charge. Each charge lasts up to 50 minutes to give plenty of time to scrub floors in one go. The mop features 2 soft scrubbing pads that oscillate an impressive 1,000 times per minute to scrub and buff floors, giving them a deep cleaning with every pass. To distribute water or cleaning solution, the top of the mop head features a built-in water tank. A push-button liquid delivery system allows users to control the flow of water or cleaner. Because this handy electric mop does not emit any steam, it is safe for all types of flooring, including laminate, offering a deep clean at the push of a button. Number 2. Bona Microfiber Floor Mop. The Bona Microfiber Floor Mop is also on the wide side, with the mop head measuring 16.5 inches across to quickly mop hard flooring. To tackle other cleaning jobs, the aluminum telescoping handle can extend up to 60 inches. This handy mop also has a 360-degree swivel head to maneuver around furniture. In case of accidental bumps, the mop head features rubberized front corners to lessen the damage if it hits furniture or baseboards. This mop set includes 2 microfiber pads. A fluffy dusting pad grabs dust and hair, and the mopping pad can clean dirt, dust, and scuffs. The reusable pads can be machine washed up to 500 times while maintaining their cleaning power. The 2 pads offer full floor dusting and cleaning at an affordable price. Number 1. Microfiber Wholesale 18-inch Professional Mop. With an extra-wide 18-inch swivel head, this microfiber mop can quickly tackle large cleaning jobs. The wide frame covers more surface area with each swipe, and the 360-degree rotating head allows the mop to swerve around furniture. This set includes 1 dust pad and 2 mop pads, and each is machine washable and made of soft microfiber. The dust pad features a perimeter of microfiber loops surrounding a soft pad to grab and lock dust and hair. The two mop pads have a foam core to absorb messes and a soft microfiber outer to leave a streak-free shine. The stainless steel handle is sturdy, comfortable, and extendable, making it good for scrubbing and daily cleaning. It adjusts from 42 inches to 70 inches with a twist of the locking mechanism to reach from floor to ceiling.